y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a clean with me. I haven't had one of these go up in about 2 weeks, so I figured I'd pull up my hair in a messy bun and go ahead and get started. So I also do want to mention this video is a collab with my friend Karissa from her channel Karissa Teixeira, and she also has a lifestyle channel. She is a mama and a wife. She's a girl mom just like me, and our channels are very similar. She does a lot of shop with me's and cleaning videos and stuff like that, so I know you guys will love her channel. I'm going to leave the link to her cleaning video down below in the description box, so make sure you head on over there and watch her video when you're done and subscribe to her channel. And with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to start off today by cleaning off my windows. I'm not even going to lie to you guys, it's been about 2 or 3 weeks since I did this. So I went ahead and got this done first.
She's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one that I can live without. Oh, that smile makes me tripping out. I wanna dance with you tonight. Yeah, you close to me. Feeling good, I believe I gotta have you in my life.
I also went ahead and just cleaned off this little table we have sitting out on the front porch as well, because I know it hasn't been cleaned in probably over a month. And then also I wanted to start in my living room today. I always start in my kitchen, so I decided to go ahead and change it up. I'm doing some dusting. I was behind on dusting too. I'm just keeping it real with y'all. I was behind on all my cleaning this week. So I'm just going to go ahead and straighten up the living room, and then I will check back in with you guys shortly.
She's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one that I can live without. She's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one that I can live without. Can live without. Time after time after time, I'm wondering who is she to me. I'm gonna tell you right now, 'cause
Now I'm just going ahead and straightening up my bedroom, and I'm going to be honest with you guys, I'm like halfway making my bed, because I know here shortly I'm going to lay back down and get some rest. So I'm just kind of halfway making it, but it does make me feel a lot better to get into a made up bed, so that's what I'm going to go ahead and do right now.
she's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one that I can live without. Can you be cold-hearted when you got that fire burning up inside it? Never running out of love when you get.
I haven't really ever showed myself cleaning off this table, and that's because I don't like to mess with it a whole lot. I usually just dust around it because I am not good at decorating, and Mandy decorated this table for me, so I just wanted to leave it like it was. But I do dust it from time to time. And now I'm just going to go ahead and do what I always usually start with, and that's just picking up things around the kitchen. So right here is the mom walk of shame. I just found my boots in the middle of the kitchen floor, where I always tell my kids not to put theirs. So yeah, there's that. So I actually didn't cook this day, so it was really easy for me to clean the kitchen. I didn't have to really wash any pots or pans or anything. We just kind of winged it and cooked whatever we wanted for ourselves. So I'm just going ahead and cleaning off the stove because there was some crumbs and letting it sit there for a minute, and then that's that. I'll pretty much be done with the kitchen. So the next few minutes of the video are me just finishing up the house. I'm going to be vacuuming. That is my Dyson. I've had it for about 1.5 years now and I love it. It's the V6 Animal. I always have it linked below for you guys. And then I'm just going to clean off the kitchen table because I forgot to do that. And then you'll see me in my girls' rooms a little bit, which I don't really show much. And then I'll pop back on here really quick at the end.
It's been 4 weeks since you called, and I've been waiting here for you all along. I've been waiting here for you all along. Where you been? Where did you go? I wonder if you found what you're looking for. Wonder if you found what you're looking for. I hope it's not too late. I want you back here with me. We never should have said it's better this way. I'd rather be with you than someone I don't know. Now it's like we're living in two separate worlds. Come on back to me. Say that you won't go. I can't cope without you and I wanna hold you close. Say that you won't go. Say that you won't go. It's been so cold without you here. We barely said goodbye before you disappeared. It's been so cold without you here. I'm not gonna lie, don't know what I'd do without you. Maybe we could try to figure out a way to put our past aside. I've realized I only want you.
Thank you guys for watching this cleaning video today. I hope you enjoyed it and give it a thumbs up if you did. If you're from Karissa's channel, I would love to have you stick around and subscribe. And you going over to her channel from mine, don't forget to watch her video and leave her some love and tell her I sent you. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Living in two separate worlds. Come on back to me.